Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews of the beauty products you care about. Today, we're diving into something a little different. The Wolff Bronzing Sun Plus F71 100W Bi-Pin Tanning Lamp. Now, I know many of us love that sun-kissed glow, but what about getting that perfect tan at home? Let's explore whether this tanning lamp lives up to the hype. This Wolff Bronzing Sun Plus F71 100W Bi-Pin Tanning Lamp is designed to help you achieve a natural, bronzed look from the comfort of your own home. With a solid 1,000-hour lifespan, this lamp is meant to offer long-term tanning power, ideal for those looking to maintain a sun-kissed appearance year-round, without the need for outdoor exposure. The lamp is equipped with a bi-pin design, making it compatible with most standard tanning bed systems. The main feature of this lamp is its ability to deliver a consistent tan with its 100 watts power output. The specific UVB and UVA light it emits are intended to mimic the natural sun's rays, aiming for a deeper tan. If you're familiar with tanning beds or lamps, you'll know how important it is to have a consistent and controlled UV output to avoid any damage to your skin. Now, I had the chance to test this lamp, and let me tell you, the experience was interesting. First, incorporating it into my beauty routine was straightforward. It's just like switching out any standard tanning lamp. It was compatible with my existing tanning bed, so no need to worry about whether it would fit. When using the lamp, I noticed that it did emit a strong, but not overwhelming, amount of heat and light. I'd recommend starting with shorter sessions, especially if you're new to tanning lamps. I tried it out on multiple sessions, both in the morning and in the evening, to see how consistent the tanning process was. In general, I did notice a more bronzed, golden glow after a few sessions. It's important to remember that, like with any tanning product, results take time. I'd say after about 3 to 4 sessions, I could start seeing noticeable results. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Wolff Bronzing Sun Plus F71 is efficient, with solid build quality and a reliable, long-lasting 1,000-hour lifespan. The results were gradual but noticeable, and it fit perfectly into my existing tanning setup without any hassle. It also didn't overheat, which is always a concern with high-power tanning lamps. However, there are a few things to note. One con I noticed is that it does take some time to achieve the level of tan you might want, so it's not a quick fix. You'll need to commit to multiple sessions for a deeper tan. Additionally, it's important to be cautious about UV exposure. Overuse of tanning lamps can lead to skin damage, so always use protective eyewear and follow safe tanning practices. Now, value for money is always an important consideration. At the 1,000-hour mark, this lamp is built to last, so it offers great longevity. Considering that you're investing in something that can last you quite a while, the price seems fair for the quality you get. If you're looking for a budget alternative, there are some lower-priced tanning lamps out there, but they may not offer the same longevity or consistent results. When it comes to build quality, this lamp is sturdy and designed to last. The bi-pin feature ensures easy installation, and it doesn't feel flimsy, which is key when you're using a product with high power. It's clear that Wolff pays attention to both the function and the durability of their lamps. I haven't had any direct interactions with customer service, but Wolff is generally known for being responsive, especially if you run into any issues with your tanning lamp. As for product alternatives, there are definitely other lamps on the market at a lower price point, but if you're serious about tanning and want something reliable, the Wolff Bronzing Sun Plus F71 offers quality that might justify the higher price. Cheaper options may not provide the same level of consistent, long-lasting results. To wrap it all up, the Wolff Bronzing Sun Plus F71 100W Bi-Pin Tanning Lamp delivers solid performance and is built to last. If you're looking for a tanning lamp that offers dependable results, and you're ready to commit to multiple sessions for a gradual tan, this product might be a great fit for you. However, if you're looking for something more immediate, or you're on a budget, there are other alternatives out there worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on future honest reviews. Your support means we can continue bringing you the best insights in the beauty world. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this tanning lamp, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.